Yo, peace and love, guys. Here is the third video for the day. This one's repacked. That means they opened the package and looked in it, examined it, and they packaged it back up. But anyway, guys, peace and love. We are here again. I thank you. Can't make these videos without you guys. Consider subscribing if you have not subscribed yet. But as you know, the video is for educational purposes only. I don't condone the resale or remanufacturing of replica goods, UA goods, fake sneakers, so on and so forth. I just don't do it, but I review them because they're gifts, and who wouldn't do that? Anyway, so today we have the Alexander McQueens, and this pair took a really long time to get to me. I guess they got held up or something like that. It doesn't matter. They got to me. I'm very grateful for that. However, this video is a little controversial because of how they were sent to me. I have a size 44, and I'm not going to do too many jump cuts. I want to show you guys, the full unboxing of these because there were some discrepancies with this sneaker in particular. But let's go through the packaging. We got the McQueen bag, which I'll pretty much throw in the trash. Don't need it. I love when the shoes are in the plastic bags, and that's very interesting that they're in plastic bags. But let's have a deeper look here. These shoes are really heavy, by the way. They're heavy as heck. Notice there was a little smudging on the toe box there, right out of the box. I don't know how that got there. I'm not sure if that's damage from the boxing. I don't know if when maybe the customs opened it, they kind of smudged it, but I'm gonna have to clean that off. A little disappointing, but hey, it is what it is. We have a little booklet that's in multiple languages. I can't read that, but I think the languages look really cool. Thank you for choosing McQueen, blah, blah, blah. We got some type of authentication. We got some extra laces, which I'll need in this case. We got a nice little bag. Kind of looks like a clover on there. Let's get the other shoe out of the bag and look what we have there. There's some more markings. I just wonder where that came from. Like, guys, comment below. What do you guys think about this? Like, what is that? Like, I was thinking it came from the eyelets, but I don't know where that came from. I don't know how that got in there. It should be able to wipe it off. I'm gonna try to wipe it off, but I really don't like to have to clean sneakers that are supposed to be brand new. But I mean, it is what it is. It was a gift, so I'm grateful for the gift. They lace these shoes up really weird too. It's like one lace going through the whole shoe. The paper also felt kind of weird too, but let's go ahead and take a look at the shoe. It's a very basic, plain, super thick soled shoe. This shoe will make you about an inch taller, which is a good thing for some guys. It's a really classy shoe. It's high quality. I will give it that. That McQueen on the back is beautiful. Reminds me of the Adidas Stan Smith. The suede on the back is remarkable. It transitions very, very well. The stitching looks very, very well. I don't know how this compares up to an authentic McQueen, but this gifted pair is made very, very well from what I can tell. Minus the little markings they had on it, which were minor. We can probably clean that up. It's a little disappointing, but let's see. Let's get that insole out. Insole is super soft, and these shoes have like a slick feel to them. On the insides and the bottoms were really slick. I don't know what that's about, but just keep that in mind. I switched to a black background because when you film white shoes, when you shoot white shoes, they blow out easily. What I mean by blowouts is like it's so bright you can't even see what's being filmed. So I cut the lights down. There's the bottoms. Interesting bottom pattern. But I had to relace these things and there's a little bit of dirt on the lace too, and I just don't know where that's coming from. Maybe the inside eyelet. I was thinking maybe these went through a lot of temperature changes when they were being shipped. I just don't know. Maybe they got dropped around a lot. I don't know. So obviously these look great with black skinnies. You can't go wrong with this. These are like date night shoes. You kind of go out in these shoes, wear something simple. I did have a black Fear God long sleeve on, and I took that off. It was way too hot. But these are very simple, classy shoes. Another pair of shoes I thought I would hate, ended up loving them. I wish I had another pair. Preferably the black on black pair would be really sweet if I had those. So I think the company might be a little upset at me right now because I took a little long to make this video, but I'm only one guy. I got a lot of people sending me shoes. I asked that they be patient. You know, they kind of, you know, and I will DM me if you have any information or any questions about that. But it is what it is. I am grateful for the shoe, but I don't really know what to say. I mean, yeah. I got my little nephew Reg here today. He's Red Ivory P on YouTube.
Yeah, Red
Check him out.
Ivory P. Yeah. P.
I was gonna do that.
Okay, sorry.
It's all right. He's my cameraman today. I lost a piece to my monopod. Is it focusing on me? Hold on. I lost a piece to my monopod, so I got Reg. What's better? So besides the discrepancies with the customer service with the company, the shoes are amazing. Besides the markings that were on them, the shoes are great. They're beautiful. And I kind of value customers. I used to work in customer service, so I really value customer service. And besides shoes and goods, there's just a way you talk to people and treat people. And if I'm felt disrespected and my art is being rushed, I don't respond well to that. So shout out to the guys that gifted me the shoe. They probably won't work with me again, but it's all love. You know, I'm peace and love guy. It really doesn't matter. Everybody, thank you for watching like the third video in a row today. I'm gonna try to bang out one more so I can take a break. I definitely need a vacation, but I'm out. Had to vent a little bit. I know you guys understand. I'm only human. Happy 4th. Peace and love. One. I love you guys.